successful candidate for the manager role within our Salesforce.com practice will necessarily have to have a broad range of skill sets. While knowledge of the product is a given, we expect the candidate to have hands-on experience on the Force.com platform, now Salesforce One, and a good understanding of the broad ecosystem it encompasses. What is important to understand here is that the scope of work we do at Accenture spans across both standard CRM implementations as well as custom application development. A manager would be expected to lead teams who may be working on both out-of-the-box configuration type of work or pure custom development on the platform. The right candidate is someone who has the ability to guide his or her team with requirement gathering and analysis, providing technical solutions, scoping, and helping to achieve the project milestones. When we interview a candidate, while we are looking for evidence that the individual has the above experience, we are also trying to assess how successfully they have played leadership roles in their previous engagements. A typical day for an Accenture manager will involve a good mix of client interactions and team management. It is less about just being in the system at this level, it's more about managing others in the system, be it the delivery teams or other relevant stakeholders. Being able to mentor and groom the team to achieve the client deliverables is of utmost importance while having quality at the core of it all. There will be expectations about appropriate and accurate status reporting to leadership and client exec teams on various aspects like project progress, risks, issues, etc., while being able to get down to the technicalities of things. It also involves being able to discuss requirements with various client executives and being able to give them business relevant solutions. In a nutshell, getting results from the team while working through various delivery challenges with a focus on customer success is what would be expected of this role. It's a known fact that when it comes to Salesforce, we are the leaders in this space. This has been reiterated by the fact that in the recent Forrester report, we are right at the top of the chart. If you're looking for working with an organization that gives you an opportunity to work across various facets of the product while combining best-in-class methodologies, processes, people, and training, then Accenture is the place to be. Our partnership with Salesforce.com dates back to 2004, and during this journey over the past 10 years, we have been working on some very cutting-edge and innovative solutions, be it implementation for our clients or working directly with Salesforce to bring some of their solutions to life. While we are passionate about delivering the best solutions for our clients, we are also just as driven about investing in developing technical and industry assets. Add to that the largest resource base with maximum number of certified resources and a vibrant community of Salesforce technical architects, business analysts, and solution architects. Do I need to say more on why it is such a great place to be? I have been with Accenture for a little over 11 years now, but if you ask me, every day feels like a new day here. And probably two things attribute to that. The first would be the opportunities that I have got here. I have always been working in niche skill technologies where there is always so much to learn and do. I do not believe I would have got that kind of opportunity in any other organization. It also reinstates the fact that Accenture truly believes in investing in new technologies and reskilling resources where they see a potential and bringing the best-in-class solutions to our clients. The other aspect would definitely be the people, my colleagues, my team, my leads, my mentors. I've learned so much from each of them, and there's always someone out there to help and support you as long as you're willing to go there and ask for it. All of them have played an integral part in molding me as a person, honing my leadership skills, and making my journey with Accenture that much more meaningful and exciting.